So they're making some keeping. Ay, init. This is what it looks like from last night. This kind of business is lots of work. Gama na mo kuan ani. Ay, dila. So this is the bod. After this one, they're going to boil it with
Guwang ng dagko.
Magawas na sila nagdagko na nila. So I also came to see what my auntie and mom's doing. As you can see. So they're making some keeping, which is the hardest part of making a snack is the keeping, and the rest is budbud. We are going to see how they do it. So let's go. Keeping is from grated cassava. They've been working on this before I came. After they grated the cassava, they started making keeping while I'm at the store. So I came here to help and film the process of making these unusual snacks. Actually, this kind of job is a lot of work. Kung i-rehistro nag-sidecar, ma-rehistro na. And then you have to do like this. You need to form it circle.
Oh, kuan ra, tubig ra. Tubig.
Ha? So this is how you do it. From that, and then cover. Then wait until it's like glass colored like this. See?
Ipis kayo.
Basa-basa niyo.
Ano magluto?
That's what it looks like. So it looks from this and then boil, and it looks like this. That's like 30 seconds only. Ano Ay, init. Gamay na lang tubig. Ito na. Yung sukar ba na? So, nila siya sugar te.
Lubi.
Sugar with coconut. So, this is the bod. And then for bod, auntie is doing like this. Si Inday ra dito isa te? Magbo lagi. So we're making some bonbon right now. So after this one, they're going to boil it with water with coconut milk. So this is all the keeping. So we're gonna dry it and then the vlog is gonna continue tomorrow morning. Okay, so this is the keeping, guys. Look, this is what we do last night, and now it looks like this. So we need this one dry, but not like full dry, like medium dry something, so that it won't crack. But if this one's very dry, it will be cracked. This one, this is so cute. They managed to do this, hanging something, drying net. What you call this one? So we're gonna cook some today. Okay, so this is what it looks like from last night. This one, this. So we're gonna open, try. Gisiyo ng dahon lang? Ah, okay, gisiyo ng dahon. Ah, okay, masayon di ay. Gisiyo ang dahon. Yung mga audience na ko. Kita ko na mga audience.
Hello. Sophia, hello.
Tada!
Keeping.
Ay, kulob? Anak, kulob din siya dapat. Keeping.
May ano rin na pagluto keeping.
Hindi ka ano mga keeping. Anindot anima, dito ra magkuan ma. Magprito.
Dito ko sulod ay magdulak.
This kind of business is actually lots of work. From grinding it to drying like this. It's a lot of work. But also, this kind of...
Lantaw ko sa mga pato.
Oh, laka. Ano yan? Na. This kind of job is a lot of work. And this is the budbud that we wrapped yesterday, also last night. This is what it looks like. So this is gonna be our baon later. And this is our septic tank for the pigs. Hi! Ani mo sulod si mama, manggawas na sila inigdagko na nila. Makatikang man. Dik, ikaw. Naapsan ang puti mo, oh. Ay, ang kaning bayi sa aning laki. Good morning. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning!
Good morning. So we are here right now at the farmhouse. And as you can see, I am wearing this one. This is Dad's t-shirt because last night it's super... Huh? Oh, na. Because last night it's super cold here, guys. You don't need aircon. So anyway, today we are going to continue cooking some keeping. And then in the past few videos, we cook some budbud, and we are making some budbud and also keeping. Keeping is a lot of work. It's gonna take few days to finish all of it before selling, but we're not gonna sell it. We're gonna eat it because we like keeping anyway, so why sell them? Igang naman, igang.
Tawa na ng video na batik na.
Uy, pretty gani na. Tadan. Okay, let's go show the ano piya? Chicken.
Una taon kay maguwang ng dagko.
There's big one, there's medium, and there's a small one, the yellow one.
And sapato. Sapato right here.
Yes, a pato right here. Hi, Patu. They're big now. They grow so fast actually, guys. That's less than a month size of a baby. Kapag kita sa pigs.
Wala pa.
Okay, go.
Dagko na mga pig.
Nagko na. Balihon man na ni may chinelas. Uy,
Itong bata pa siya.
bata pa man eh. Tadan! That's a pig.
Pig?
Yes. Piglets. They are not piglets anymore. Huh?
Daddy pig?
Yes.
Mommy pig? George pig?
Daddy pig, Peppa pig.
Peppa pig? Daddy pig!
Yay.
The baby Earl.
Yes. Let's go.
Ang saka ang
You're done
daddy
watching
pig.
them?
Nag-work sa daddy pig.
Hi, pigs.
Ay, pigid.
Hi, piggy piggy.
Pili pwede sulod tawo dira, no?
Pwede.
Ay, ka pa akon?
Dili ka pa akon, but they want food from you. Di mo ka pa akon, i-play lang kanilag paak, anak. Go na, let's go na.
Kapon?
You want hiccup? Try. Try.
Anak, pwede liguon?
Pwede.
Hi, piggy.
Hi, piggy.
I love a pig.
You love pig?
And manok and pato.
You like animals?
Yes.
So we're gonna make some farm animals here.
Yeah, I love animals.
You love animals?
Horse.
And horse? We don't have horse. And also horse is expensive to have.
Dog. We have a dog, right?
Yeah, we have a dog, puppy bear.
I love pet and animals.
You love pets and animals?
Yes. Rabbit, I like it.
You like rabbit? But we don't have rabbit.
That is some.
No, but too much work to have a rabbit.
Mga anak sila. Di na kasaka.
If you remove the door, outside sila.
Outside bow. Gukod.
Baugukod. Let's go na.
Okay. Bye-bye guys. See you next time. Ching!
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like and share.
Tana daw. Subscribe, like and
share and
subscribe, like and share.
subscribe and like and share and like.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Sa gulag idibol ang ko ano. Latik. Pwede ra. So mom is making some latik, caramelized sugar. Okay, so now we are cooking some keeping. This one, di ba nahut dun guro tanan? That's the dried one, and then you put some oil. This is 2 bottle of oil.
Nalingaw na ka diri na yun.
So that's what it looks like.
Gama na mo ko ana ni.
Ay, di wow. Naunsa man na oy.
Clip ka apil. Clip.
Init.
Kulog man. Di kayo. Pesa. Kung na mo, pagong na. Pagong na.
Dayon tagak na po naroon.
Ano.
Napagod man.
Nagama na mag-soak anima?
Man lang, unay gihimo. You need also big spatula or long spatula for this one. You need 2 spatula for that so that it will be...
Kainit.
Ay! Na, dapat puti ra na siya.
Kainit ko rin.
Oh, hao na. Nag-vlog pa ko tiya. Hangga. Itulo ra dagan ka idibol ma kuan.
Gapon niya tayo, way gana mapapait. Ugang baba na. Kalayo.
Ay, ikaw na ka.
Balik-balik Sophia din na sa lamok na siguro na tigang.
Ay, Sophia, You like it?
Yeah.
crispy? Mmm.
Kuan na isunod na atong kuan niya ba?
Ha, ganan ka?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Try
This is mine. Init pa man eh.
Mandila.
Mmm.
That airplane, Mommy.
Yeah. Namasilbi oy kay mugahi na.
Our airplane.
Ayaw na siya masay tuno. Bang tuno mo ay kig na. Apoy lami ko dugulay tuno manggod.
Mugahi mo na ma.
Gahi na daya.
Gahi na.
Oy.
Sophia likes it because it's crispy.
Tangi kuan din.
Mm.
They're eating. Piggy, piggy. They're eating. They're eating. Trad inanay kay manggawak na.
Wow. Piglet.
Hi, Oinky. Oinky.
Oinky.
I love animals. So cute. And I love animals and pet.
Yeah?
Pet and more. Pet animals. Pet
What?
animals. Pet,
Can you say that again?
I love pet and animals.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!